Okay, so good evening, everyone. Good evening to the delegates and the evaluator. Thank you for being a part of Pharmanecia 2.E poster presentation. I welcome you to this session. This is a review poster session, and I will give you some rules and regulations regarding the poster presentation. So the poster presentation will go according to the paper code, like PPREV 101 will be going first, and then the 102, 103, like so on. And like I will be adding you as a panelist, and you will have to open your webcams and and unmute yourself to present your paper. I would be like sharing my screen, and your paper will appear on my screen. If you want anything, like if you want me to zoom the poster, if you want me to like shift right or left, please do tell me. And after the poster session, you will have a question answer session with Ms. Mrinal and the other evaluator as well. So that is the thing, and the basic rule is like you will be getting 8 minutes, 5 to 8 minutes for the presentation, and then 2 to 3 minutes you will be having question answer session. Okay, so I'll calling you one by one, and let me tell you that we have two evaluators for the day. First is Miss Mrinal. Mrinal is Assistant Professor of Pharmacology at Dean's College of Pharmacy, Himachal Pradesh. I welcome you, ma'am. Very warm welcome to Pharmanecia 2.E and as an evaluator for the poster presentation. So welcome, ma'am. And the second evaluator will be joining us around 5:50. So till then, if you are presenting, if I give an example, PPREV 101, if you are presenting now, you will have to present it, you will have to present it afterwards also to the evaluator. So please stay in the meeting only. And I would request every delegate to stay in the meeting and to continue with us till the end of the meeting. So I guess I am clear. If you have any doubts, please mention in the chat box. Anyone, any doubt? Okay, I guess we can start with the presentation. So first is PPREP 101, that is Abhay Kumar. So is Abhay is okay, so I'll add him as a panelist. I will add the another poster. It is PPREP 102, Anshika Gulati. Anshika, can you please confirm in the chat box that you are present?
Shweta, I think Abhay
Anshika?
Kumar is there.
Yes, ma'am.
Abhay Kumar is there. I think Abhay Kumar is
Okay.
there.
Okay. So, Abhay, are you ready? Please unmute yourself and please let us know.
Yes, ma'am, I'm here, but yes, ma'am, I'm here.
Yes. So please open your webcam, please. I am sharing your poster.
Ma'am, I have opened it using my smartphone. Will it work?
Yes, I think so. See if a webcam option is there.
No, there is no webcam option, ma'am.
Okay, Abhay. Okay.
Yes,
I
ma'am,
would request everyone to.
my poster is visible.
Wait. Yes. Okay. Wait 1 minute. I request everyone to open your webcam. Like everyone to open their GoToWebinar in their laptop so that you can access the webcam. Please, guys, do that. Okay, Abhay, your time starts now.
Good evening, ma'am. I'm Abhay Kumar, and today I'm going to present a poster on the topic therapeutic potential of epigallocatechin 3-gallate in cancer management. In today's time, one of the most dangerous diseases from which mankind is suffering is cancer. Many researchers are trying to find a good and effective cure for the treatment. The global cancer burden is estimated to have risen to 18.1 million, and there are 9.6 million deaths in 2018. So it would have increased so much till now. So if we get a molecule that can cure or help along with other medicine to properly cure and work synergistically with them in its treatment, it will be a boon for us. Such a molecule is EGCG, obtained from or we can say found in green tea, botanically equated with Camellia sinensis. It has many beneficial properties such as antioxidant, antibacterial, antiviral, as well as chemopreventive. So my objective of this poster is to tell you about EGCG as well as tell you about the mechanism by which it acts and help in chemo prevention or cancer prevention. Now the methodology I have used is I've used Google Scholars, PubMed, and different sites such as World Health Organization. Before moving further, let's talk about the sources. So we can at least consume it if we know the natural sources. One of the best source is green tea. Then there is apple, blackberry, carob flower, and there are other fruits in which it is found in trace amounts such as plums, avocado, onion, and also in nuts. Now let's talk about various mechanisms by which it helps in prevention of cancer. It has a very good antioxidant potential. It helps in scavenging of free radicals, as well as paradoxically it also also increase the amount of free radicals in the cancer cells, which further leads to their death. Second is induction of apoptosis. By arresting the cell cycle in the G1 phase, it activates the executioner caspases, which leads to death of cancer cell. Then there is inhibition of epigenetic modifications. By exerting a strong inhibitory effect on DNA methylation via blocking performance of DNA methyl transferases, it prevents cancer. Then we have inhibition of DHFR and telomerase. We have also observed that in the cancer cell, telomerase activity is increased. A telomerase is an enzyme which protects the telomere end cap in the cells. By consuming for a longer period of time EGCG, we can prevent overactivity of telomerase, which leads to senescence of cancer cells. Then there is DHFR, which helps in modulation of beta catechin and can help in anti-inflammatory and cancer management. Then there is modulation of miRNA as well as suppression of microproteases. Now let's move further and talk about various combinations that are recently being used in the cancer treatment. We have cisplatin along with EGCG when given. There is a large amount of beneficial effect produced. The biliary tract cancer subsided. Then we have sunitinib, alkylating agents such as chlorambucil, and also this is a new one that EGCG is given in along with nanogolds, so it directly reaches the cancer cells and the therapeutic potential increased. And then we have amidase treated capsicum extracts. So in conclusion, it is that a proper understanding of EGCG and its mechanism has yet not been found, and further research is needed on it to develop a effective cure. Thank you. Ma'am.
Thank you, Abhay. Thank you very much. Miss Mrinal, ma'am, can you please have the question answer session now?
Hello.
Hello. Yes, ma'am.
Hello. Am I audible, Shweta?
Yes, ma'am, you are
Yes,
audible.
yes.
Okay. Abhay Kumar, nice presentation. I think you read cancer
Thank you, ma'am.
management or cancer things properly. Is there any hormonal imbalance in cancer?
Ma'am, yes, there are hormonal imbalance. You know, during the treatment, various medication are given, due to which there ought to be a hormonal imbalance. We see there are lots of side effects that there is a balding in cancer. It is due to hormonal imbalance. Due to hormonal imbalance, you know, there are ovarian cancers, prostate cancer in males. Yes, ma'am, there is hormonal imbalance.
So you choose EGCG.
Yes, ma'am.
Is EGCG helpful in hormonal imbalance cancer? As you said, ki ovarian cancer is an example of hormonal imbalance.
Yes, ma'am. It helps in maintaining the hormonal imbalance, but the proper mechanism of EGCG is not yet understood. But it has many mechanisms as well as it follows many pathway in its treatment. So yeah, it can be a pathway, and I think uh, further research can be done on it.
Okay. Thank you, Abhay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Abhay. Thank you. Please stay till the end because the second evaluator will also be evaluating